Hello there, I'm Theo, and this is my final project for CS50. The Bookish Boar, a free-to-use web-based educational platform created using HTML, CSS, SQL, Python and JavaScript. As an unregistered user, I can visit the course category and course overview pages of the app. I can also check the ratings and reviews that other users posted in regard to a specific course. But in order to access more features, I need to create a new account. Let's create a student account using the register form in order to continue. Here we can see that an error message is displayed since the password I tried to use didn't meet the required criteria. After registering, I visit my personal profile page that allows me to partake in the various courses I own. Since this is a new account, I don't own any, so let's change that. I once again visit the course overview page, but notice that now since I am logged in, I have the option of acquiring the course. The accordion element facilitates access to any part of a course in a user-friendly way. The application automatically updates the course status on the user's profile page when they successfully complete its lessons and quizzes. I am also able to rate and review the now owned course. Let's create a new account, registering this time as a teacher. Similarly to a user with a student role, I can now acquire, rate and review any course of the app. But when visiting my dashboard, I also have the option of creating a new course. I begin by adding the course and then its various modules. Then, through the teacher's dashboard, I am able to add every lesson and quiz that will be featured in every module of the newly created course. When a course is added, it becomes available to all users of the platform. This concludes the presentation for my final project. My name is Theo and this was CS50.